Question number 201. The following point about microfilament are true except they form intracellular conducting channels is the wrong. Mature erythrocytes do not contain DNA. Which one of these is not a respiratory tract infection is leprosy. The component of cartilage and cornea is keratosulfate. What is the composition of cell membrane? Lipid plus protein. Growth hormone is released from adenohypophysis. What are the function of cell membrane? Selective. What are the function of mitochondria? Formation of ATP. The synthesis of protein from RNA is known as translation. What is the basic difference between passive transport and active transport? Downhill gradient and uphill gradient. What is pinocytosis? Engulfment. What is the normal pH of blood? 7.35. What are the elements of blood? WBC, RBC, platelets. Name the plasma protein. All of the above. Albumin, fibrinogen, globulin. Erythrocytes are red in color due to hemoglobin. Increased RBC count is more than 5.7 million. What is the normal shape of RBCs? Biconcave. What are the advantages of biconcave shape of RBC? Increase in surface area. What is the ascorbic acid? Vitamin C. What is the normal hemoglobin contained in the blood of male? 14 से 18 ग्राम. फीमेल में होता है 12 से 16 ग्राम. Which one is the iron transporter in the blood? Is transferrin. What is anemia? Decrease in hemoglobin, iron deficiency. Both. What is thrombosis? Clotting of blood. What is embolism? Movement of blood clot in a vessel. What is embolism? Movement of blood clot in vessels. RH blood type is classified RH plus RH. Substance present in saliva is ptyalin. Function of saliva: digestion of starch. What are the effects of stimulation of parasympathetic nerve fibers to salivary gland? Is release of saliva. HCl released from parental cells. Phase of gastric secretion: cephalic and intestinal. Which part of CNS control respiration is medulla? What is the function of bile? Fat digestion. CTZ is a vomiting center, chemoreceptor trigger zone. All the nephrons contain renal cryptinols, glomerulus, loop of the Henle, Brownian capsules. All of the above. What are the factors that regulate the renin secretion? Blood supply to the kidney. What is the function of erythropoietin? Formation of RBC. Which is the important factor causing secretion of erythropoietin? Decreased number of RBC. Name the pressure which determines the GFR, hydrostatic pressure. What is micturition? Discharge of urine. What is the normal body temperature? 38.1. Name some condition where hyperthermia or fever occur due to pyrogen, due to infection, both of the above. Net filtration pressure at Paumes capsule is 10 mmHg. Erythropoietin is released from kidney, the part of juxtaglomerular filtration. Which protein is responsible for muscle contraction? Actin and myosin, both. Proteins associated with muscle fiber is myosin and actin. Muscle cell converts chemical energy to mechanical energy. Muscle cell contain glucose. Brain is a part of CNS. Which one is a endocrine gland? All of the above. What is autocrine? Local हार्मोन को autocrine बोलते हैं. How hormones are transported in the blood, either in free form or attached with proteins? Which type hormone transported in the attached form? All of them. steroid hormone, thyroid hormone, insulin hormone, all of the above. Which hormone act via thyriokinase receptor? Insulin hormones. What is the function of phosphodiesterase? Decrease CMP. What are the subtype of chromophil cells? Both A or B, acidophils or basophils. Which hormone are secreted by acidophil cells? Growth hormones. During fasting, which action of growth hormones produce ATP from fatty acids? What are the action of HGH on protein metabolism? Stimulate protein synthesis. Name the substance act as second messenger is cyclic AMP IP3. Yes, second messenger. Name the stimuli which inhibit the secretion of growth hormone is REM sleep, rapid eye movement. Hormone released from posterior pituitary is oxytocin and vasopressin. Name the hormone released from adrenal cortex is all of the above, glucocorticoid, androgen or mineralocorticoid. Dopamine inhibits prolactin. In which form calcium is found in the plasma? All of the above. Ionized form, complex with HPA4, bound to proteins, all of the above. Name the hormone involved in calcium regulation is PTH, parathyroid hormone, जो कैल्शियम के रेगुलेशन में इन्वॉल्व होता है. Rickets is due to vitamin D deficiency. Insulin contain 51 amino acids. A चेन में 21 होता है, B चेन में 30 होता है, टोटल होते हैं 51. Which hormone is responsible for diabetes is insulin. Turner syndrome caused by presence of only one X chromosomes is called Turner syndrome. What is the normal gestation period is 280 days. Name the hormone released from adrenal medulla is adrenal or noradrenaline, जो adrenal medulla से obtain होता है. Basic metabolic rate controlled by thyroid gland. What are the components of CNS, brain and spinal cord? Both. Name the substance which inactive acetylcholinesterase is physostigmine, जो inactive होती है acetylcholinesterase के अंदर. What is the resting membrane potential of a neuron is -70 MV. Name of the receptor which detect pressure sensation is mechanoreceptor. Receptors responsible for pain is nociceptors. Most potent stimulus for bile secretion is bile salt. Somatostatin is produced in the hypothalamus. The transmitter of postganglionic parasympathetic nerves, ganglions and skeletal muscles are acetylcholine. Hemophilia is due to deficiency of factor VIII. Prostaglandin secretion maximum in semen. Secretion of mineralocorticoid is controlled by ACTH and ADH. Site of ADH action is collecting duct, DCT. Full development and function of the seminiferous tubules require androgen and FSH. SRSA is a leukotriene. Which of the following hormone has the shortest half-life? Corticosteroid or cortisol? The number of ATP molecules generated in the conversion of glycogen to lactate is 2. Which of the following is the fastest absorbed from the stomach is water? The quantity of water most lost normally as sweat per day 100 to 200 cc. If a lady present with a very regular 26 days menstrual cycle, ovulation should occur on the 15th. In the female genital tract, the spermatozoa do not live for more than 36 hours. Potassium is maximum in plasma. The length of the distal collecting tubule is 1 mm. In a man weighing 20 kg water contain a body 40 से 45 लीटर. pH of CSF is 7.33. सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड का pH होता है 7.33. आयरन इज स्टोर्ड इन रेक्टिकुलम एंडोथेलियम सेल्स. Which enzyme does not act on dietary protein is trypsin or lipase. LH is required for follicular growth. Follicular growth के लिए LH required होता है. Luteinizing hormone. Anaphylaxis is medicated by all except prostaglandin. Basal metabolic rate is all of the above. Surface area, body weight, height, all of above. Function residual capacity in a male is 2.2 liter. The net production of ATP when one molecule of glucose is metabolized by aerobic respiration कितना होता है 38. The organ with maximum O2 consumption per minute is brain. Which of the following is called as a hormone of abundance is somatostatin. Which of the following is the action of glucocorticoid is eosinophenia. How many ovary normally release in a woman lifetime is 500 eggs. Deficient adrenal function lead to rise in the blood is potassium. 70% of the body iron is found in hemoglobin. Which hormone causes contraction of the gallbladder is cholecytokinin. Which of the following is minimally excreted in the urine? Uric acid. Following are action of progesterone except induced ovulation नहीं कराता. Ejaculation is a sympathetic response. Maximum peripheral resistance is seen in arterioles.